Hey, welcome back to the series of Accountancy Chapter 2 Accounting for Partnership Basic Concepts. So, in this video, we are going to learn about methods of maintaining capital account of partnership. So, in order to maintain capital account of partnership or in order to maintain account, there are some types of account. So, that's what we are learning today. Whenever you try to entry all the transaction related to partners in the books, there must be some accounts. So, that's what we are discussing. Like there are so many entries you can record like capital, withdraw, shares, profits, interest on capital or interest on drawings, salaries, commission, etc. For that we need an account. So there are two types of account, that is fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. So we'll discuss about that one by one. So starting with first one, what is a fixed capital method? So as name says, fixed capital method, it's a method which you are recording an accounts, or in this type of account there will be fixed capital for every year. There is no change in capital. It will only change whenever you introduce a new capital. So this capital will be fixed. In this method we are maintaining two types of account, that is capital account and current account. I'll show you the pro forma format of fixed capital account in that capital account and current account. But right now we have to maintain two types of account if they give fixed capital method or if they are following fixed capital method. In capital account we only record only the capital balance or additional capital that are invested as a capital or withdraws. Only three records will be recorded in capital account and rest remaining will be recorded in current account. The current account will record like these kind of entries like salary, commission, interest on capital, profit and loss appropriation, and etc. These are all the entries we will be recording in capital account. So we'll learn about fixed capital method. Then what is fluctuating capital method? In this, the name only suggests fluctuating is nothing but fluctuating things or irregular like that. In this kind of method, partners capital will fluctuate every year. For that we only use only one type of accounts in this fluctuating method, that is capital account. We won't use current account in this. So in the last method we used to use capital account and a current account, but in this we only use or we only follow capital account. For every partner there will be one capital account and everything will be recorded there, like such as profit or loss, interest on capital, drawings, commissions, everything will be recorded in capital account. So these are all the two types of problem we are learning or two types of accounts we are maintaining. So that's what we are learning. Then what if they didn't mention anything about which method you have to follow in particular sums or in given sum? On that case you need to maintain fluctuating capital method. If nothing is given, you have to follow fluctuating capital method. So in fluctuating capital method we'll use capital account. That's it. In fixed capital method we'll use two types of account, that is capital account and current account. So I think by now you probably understood what is fixed and what is fluctuating capital method. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit like and share with your friends. Like always, see you in the next series. Bye.